Today's video we will see how to fix the Frigidaire oven keeps shutting off, overheat, sensor, breaker and a control fix. Fix 1, you can check power supply. Turn off the oven and unplug it from the wall. Check the power cord for damage or loose connection. Make sure the outlet is working. Plug in into another device to test and then plug the oven back in and turn it on. Fix 2, you can reset the oven. Turn off the oven, switch off the circuit breaker for 5 minutes, turn the breaker back on and set the clock and test it again. Okay? And the fix 3, you can check for overheating. Make sure the oven vents are not blocked. Remove any foil blocking airflow inside the oven. Let the oven cool down completely and turn it back on and test. Fix 4, you can check the door lock. Open and close the oven door firmly. Make sure nothing is stuck in the door latch. If the door does not close properly, the oven may shut off for safety. Goodbye.